Hello everyone, this is Anirudh here and you're watching Anirudh is online, and this is the unboxing of Zebronics Zeb-thunder headphones, wireless headphones. So this is the box that came. I ordered it online on Amazon, and let me just open it, and it is the bill, and I'm just gonna keep it aside, and let me just take out the headphones from inside the box. And this is the package that it came in, and the packaging is not that great, but I mean I'm okay if the headphone works. So yeah, I ordered this online for around 750 to 800 rupees. So yeah, let me just pull it out of the box. Let me just take it out there. Okay, so these are the headphones. I mean, they look good, but I mean it's still plastic, and the cushion does feel kinda okay and reasonable for the price. And I got this in the black color because I thought all the other colors were like too peppy. So what's inside the box? Okay, this is the aux cable and the USB cable, micro USB, and there is something, and yeah, it is the user manual. I'm just gonna keep it aside. And so yes, this is the headphones, and I will be using it for around 2 days and give my feedback on them. So yeah, this is kind of plastic, it's plasticky, but I don't know about the sound quality, and I will let you guys know right about now. So I have been using this headphones for around 4 days now. I have tried using it as much as possible, and it has been an experience. So I'm gonna start with all the ports in this headphones. There is an aux port, which is like a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a good option to have in a wireless headphone. When I tried it for the first time, I had to connect it in a certain way so that it would work, but from the next time I know how to connect it, and it worked perfectly fine as expected. The audio quality was same as the audio in the Bluetooth mode, so then there is no problem there. Then there is the micro USB port. This is used for charging. I mean, it could have been USB Type-C, but at this price micro USB just works just fine. I use my headphones normally for around 7 to 8 hours continuously, so even after the charge wasn't there, I was still able to use the headphones with the aux cable without any issues. And then the power button is on the outside of the left earpiece, and you long press it to turn on and turn off the headphones. And after that we have the mic and the LED. Mic is there in this headphone, and at the end of this video there is like a small bit where I show the sample. I mean, it is okay when you talk loud enough, but in my opinion the mic's clarity is fine. But if you talk directly into the left earpiece, the quality is much better than if you are wearing the headphone on your ears. There is a LED on the headphones that either glows red or blue. It is mainly used for showing the status of the headphone. And then there is the SD card slot, and I didn't have a chance to try the SD card slot because I just don't have an SD card, and I don't know if it works or not, but I assume it works. So let's now talk about the cables in the box. That is the micro USB to USB cable, and the aux cable, which is like a 3.5mm to 3.5mm. In my opinion, the cables were fine and got the job done, even though they were very thin. Then the battery, it takes from around like 2.5 hours to 3 hours to fully charge. In my testing, the charge was there for around 5 to 6 hours on like full continuous usage. And even though after the charge went, I just used it as a normal wired headphones. The battery is like reasonable at this price range. I didn't have any major issues with the headphone, but on the second day I had some connectivity issues, but I'm not sure if it was my device or the headphones, but after some time the connection was just fine. The bass is nice, especially if you are coming from an earphone, and the sound is balanced and reasonable at this price range. If you are wanting to buy a headphones under or around 1000 rupees, then this headphone is a viable option if you are looking for it. So when this headphones work, it works as expected, and I think this is good. is being recorded through the headphone here, and I have connected this through wire because that is the only way I know to record the audio from an external device. And so if you guys like this video, then definitely be sure to like the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, then definitely subscribe. And until then, this is Anirudh. Bye.